by and talk about it tomorrow. Yeah. But I'll keep an eye on it. Oh yeah, that door is great. Yeah, you and your girl have been looking at that for a while, man.
That door there?
Yeah, that's the end. We just take it out the box.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. Probably you should buy it, dude. How you doing, man? Any questions?
Yeah, I do.
What's up?
For one, is it okay if I video in it?
Oh yeah.
All right, that's one.
Yeah.
And what's the price on that module lock and that Grizzly?
All right. All right. Motor lock is.
Oh, it comes with the box.
Yeah. Oh, he is. 65.
All right,
Yeah, he's complete.
that's what I was wondering.
The only bummer about the box is that the kid who had it, or the guy who had it,
Yeah,
wrote his name on it
yeah,
when he was a kid. It's kind of funny.
yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. And then, Grizzly, you said?
Yeah, Grizzly right there.
Yeah. I think he's 35. Yeah, well, actually, no, he's 30.
Yeah, you can leave him out. He's full. Yep, he's full.
He's good, dude. He's in good shape. He doesn't smell weird.
Leave him out.
You want him?
Yeah.
I'll put him up here.
All right.
Anything else back there?
Nah.
All right, cool, man. Just let me know if you want me to get back.
All right, thank you.
Of course.
Sorry if I open this coding.
Yeah. Here, let me hold it for you.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah. Flip your lid on that.
I remember this Christmas morning.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Hey, what's the price on the attack track? You know the price on this attack
Oh,
track?
the red one?
Yeah.
That one is, let's see, scooch over here.
Mm-hmm.
I think, oh, there it is. It is 40.
40?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. I got about 10 of those.
Do you?
Yeah.
The Fright Zone, I think, is.
I put those in different.
No, I'm saying.
All right, here we go.
I didn't have pockets. I had like gym shorts on.
Did you not use Find My iPhone?
Dude, so when I went to Texas, apparently when you put it on airplane mode, it turns it off, I think. And so it wasn't active because I have always had my stuff active. And I tried to find it, dude, and of course, the perfect storm, my freaking Find My iPhone was turned off. Because I've never turned it off.
Right.
I would never.
I didn't know that it turns off.
I'm pretty sure that's what happened, man. That's the only way I can think of why it was turned off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because then the other way, like, I'm not going to go in there and manually find my iPhone off.
Right.
Who does that? You know, like, yeah, I got it. Get your bag. Actually, do you want this box?
Sure.
You just put all your shit.
Actually, can I just get a bag?
Yeah, sure.
Like two separate bags?
Yeah.
I have like a billion boxes at home.
I feel good. That's one reason why I try to give them to people. They get a bunch of stuff. You better have a box or that.
Whoa.
Who's that a lot of it?
You got a lot of stuff in here.
Oh, sweet. All right. That's $300. Is that cool?
Oh, sure. Sure it is.
It is now.
Yeah. Now that I'm buying it.
Yeah.
Man, Cody, you spent so much money in here. I'm gonna up the price for you.
Look at this.
You know how I go, dude.
Dangerous. There you go. Look at this.
Sometimes.
Oh, amazing. The size of it.
So I have the floppy runner.
Yeah.
Like out box. I've had that since I was like
Yeah. These are cool ones. What's the concept?
yeah.
This is hard. I gotta come get this.
For some reason, I thought
I mean, I definitely have looked at it like
these are cool. They just look good.
Some, I mean, I collect some stuff. I don't know. I just kind of
What do you think? Cool.
yeah. I'm done with that.
Alright, sweet.
Appreciate it.
You hot?
Yeah.
Look at the turtles.
I'm always on.
It's hot in here.
Yeah, I got it on 74.
Yeah, it's hot in here.
I don't, then it just runs the whole time. Because I leave the door open.
How much is
Holy
that
shit.
snow trooper?
Which one?
Oh, there's more than one in there.
Which was it at?
Right here.
Oh, yeah, pull it out.
Just pull straight.
Hold on, I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Got the angle it.
It's 50. 45?
Appreciate it.
No problem. You look so good.
Yeah.
So,
I like that. How whoever I guess do they come? They don't come stock like that.
No.
With the boxes, so-
Yes.
I bought this collection off my buddy Ford. He's actually doing a little bit of work with us. So yeah, he's selling all this Black Series, but it's like all package stuff. He's keeping all this old stuff. He has two of everything. Literally everything. Wow. Even did that.
Try it off.
The Mexican release before that. It's crazy. Wow. It's insane. Not really pretty for it,
Right.
but hopefully.
How much is that idle?
That is the problem.
Here we go. How much you want for this?
It's the only bad thing about it is that it's getting. And it comes with the taste.
Yeah.
So I price these kind of like top dollar because of the taste.
They got everything in this goddamn store.
It's like the best of what he has.
Right.
So
Check this
it
out.
looks good. Protected. That means like $5 a pop. So like, I'm including it. These three ready?
Yeah. As a flow.
They got Eternia.
Oh yeah. You paid them off.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
Wow.
Cool, man. You say that for me?
What's that?
Let me take this.
Wow.
Sure.
Actually, I just got some sideshow stuff in just like right before you came in.
Oh really? Star Wars stuff?
Yeah, I got what I ordered.
Can I look at it first?
Yeah.
Really quick?
Well, so it's already been purchased,
Oh okay.
but you can
Yeah.
look at it. That's why I was mentioning. I was like, let's open it up. I'll bring it over here.
You want me to come over to you?
No, I'll bring it over here.